another video geometry. We're not doing like Gauntlet Snake and we're doing Lightning Road. I completed this before. It was actually my first game in. And it's pretty easy once you get like the hang of it. And it only has 3 game modes: the cube, the ball, and the ship. I'm pretty sure this was made in 1.9. I ended up by having actually played 1.9. Because I started playing like 1 year ago, and from now, like 1.9 was like 3 years ago. You just gotta follow the arrows for this part. It's annoying failing to go at that last world. Yeah, ship part was cool.